Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com. Listen, I love toy guns, and I help Dan, which is the manufacturer of Magnum rubber band guns, which makes the best rubber band guns on the planet. They're wooden. They're made of a hard poplar. You can buy the Chinese knockoffs, which are just light wood. They're not very good, but Dan makes the best wooden rubber band guns. They're made of poplar wood. This is their AR-15. This is an assault rifle.
No. It's not an assault rifle.
What are you talking about? It's AR. AR.
Yeah, it doesn't mean assault rifle.
Oh,
it
doesn't?
Armalite.
Armalite? What does that mean?
It's a style. It's
oh,
a style.
It's Armalite?
Yes, Armalite. That's
Armalite rifle.
No, Armalite, period. Armalite, period. It's
Armalite 15. Yes. Okay, so this is an Armalite 15. It's not an assault. It's just a toy, okay? People need to get real, okay? Okay, we packaged...
I literally could assault you with this tape measure if I want. So this is an assault weapon, an AW, assault weapon. So I can...
You have problems there? Man, he's my brother. But okay, so anyways, so this is the AR-15, the Armalite 15, and it comes... Normally when you get these, you don't get the scope and sling. But most of my guns, I upgrade you to everything, okay? I give you the scope and sling. Plus, in all of your purchases, you're going to get a free bag of 4-ounce ammo. Not 1 ounce, 4 ounce. Remember that, okay? You get the scope and the sling, okay? Which the kids love to have the scope. Now, let's go over the Magnum rubber band guns. It is a 12-shot mechanism. What do you mean 12 shots? Well, you could put up to 12 rubber bands, one at a time. See this? Go right here. You click it back. All right. I'm going to put another one on. Okay, like that. See? Now we're going to click it back. You can do up to 12 rubber bands at one time. All right. Like that. Okay, and then now you can just shoot it. Now these will shoot pretty far distance, okay? So let's see if we can get down to... See that? That's the AR-15, okay? So you get it with a scope, a sling. You have the sight here also, but you have the scope. Highly detailed for wood. It's a wooden toy gun, okay? A lot of people love a wooden. It's made in America, made in Rapid City, South Dakota. So if you want to support Americans, baby, this is the gun to get. Plus, you get rubber bands, part of your deal. You can't get that anywhere else other than ProTinkerToys.com because I give you the best for the money at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget, ProTinkerToys.com. This is the AR Armalite 15 toy gun. And next one, we're going to be doing the Junior AR-15. A little smaller, takes different rubber band guns, and we're going to do other ones too. But this is the AR-15. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ProTinkerToys.com, at ProTinkerToys.com, at ProTinkerToys.com.